so much.
Alrighty, and then we have something for Girls' Generation. Where are the 4 dance contestants that we picked out earlier? Dance contestants, the 4 people that we picked out, please come on forward. Come on down. You're gonna have your chance to dance and shine for these lovely ladies. Please come on down. Alright. So, can we have some music, please? Music. These 4 contestants are gonna dance for you.
Wow.
So can you guys please be nice and judge them? Thank you.
I don't know, we got Quim in the house. Congrats, don't be nervous. Do your best.
Sorry, we have a little technical malfunction.
Jessica!
Thank you. Or you can dance without music. I mean, right? Anyone, people?
It's difficult, actually.